Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Shani Amara. Today's video, I'm actually going to be going thrifting. I'm super excited. This is my first thrifting video. So I just got up, I made protein pancakes for the first time, and they were super good. If I can get protein and a carb, sign me up. So that was really good. My outfit today, I'm wearing this CLT leopard print shirt from Rose Gold Rebel, which is a local brand here in Charlotte. And then I'm wearing these super cute, like, boyfriend fit jeans. They have a stripe down the side. I actually got these at Target on super sale, Wild and Fable. And then my shoes, love my leopard shoes. You want to be super comfortable when you go thrifting because it's a lot of digging. So anyways, I'm gonna grab my purse and my keys and head out the door. So follow along. Okay guys, we are on our way, we meaning me and you, on our way to Goodwill. I have seen a lot of other thrifting videos and they had some really good ideas. You want to have an idea, kind of anything that you're looking for, but I say that loosely because I think that it's not like you're going to a regular store. They're not gonna have sizes of everything. They're not gonna have specific pieces. So just like do that loosely, like scroll Pinterest, look at new trends and everything like that, and you can find like some really amazing pieces because what goes around comes around. Like 90s style is like really in right now, and you can find some really good inspo off Pinterest. But again, like I said, do that loosely so you don't get like this idea in your head that you're going to find everything that you're looking for, because it's a treasure hunt and you might find something you had no idea you were looking for, but it's an amazing piece. So yeah, that's some advice. Also, make sure you wear comfortable clothes, wear comfortable shoes, because it's a process and it's a lot of digging and it is a little tiring. Stay hydrated, bring water. So yeah. Anyways, we're on our way there now, so I will see you guys soon. Okay guys, we are here. I'm pretty excited. I hope I find some really good stuff today. I'm also looking for a blazer for Zach. We went out to dinner the other night and he needed something to go over this like graphic tee that he had, so I think like a cool blazer would be perfect for that. So I'm gonna look in here and see what we find. So my boyfriend is really a big golfer. He plays a ton of sports in general, but I thought this was really cool. It has like the little golf logo on it. We'll see if he can handle the coral color. He'll be like, no, it's pink, but we'll see what he says. I thought this one was nice too. This one's like actually golf. Yeah, and it has Chapel Hill on it. He loves Chapel Hill. And then I did end up finding him a couple blazers, so we'll see what happens. The rack when you bring out like 2 new racks, then you divide it by like each category, but you want to flip through the whole thing because you never know what you're going to find. For example, I don't even know what size this is or what I would wear it for, but I mean like this. This is beautiful. Who knows? You never know what you need it for. So apparently these little like bags like this that go on your shoulder are making a comeback, and I just don't know if I'm here for it. But if you want to try trends, you might as well look at Goodwill and thrift it if you're not sure if it's for you. Always check the home goods section, especially if you are like me and just moved into a new house. We have a gold bar cart, and I've been looking for one of these. This is literally $2, and everything in our house is gold, and it's just perfect for our gold bar cart. Okay, another tip is to use hand sanitizer because you're touching all this stuff and you don't know where it came from. Also, when you get home, you're gonna wash your goods before you wear them. Don't forget it. Okay, we made it to the fitting room. I am so exhausted. My arm goes from flipping and flipping and flipping. It's crazy. So anyways, I am super excited to try on all of this stuff. It's actually like a decent amount of stuff in here. This is just like a super cute, like basic long sleeve tee. It's adorable. It does look a little small, but I've always loved polka dots, and I'm like wondering if I can pull it off. I mean, no, strike that, reverse it, because if you like something, it's you and you can pull it off, but I don't know if I'll love it on, so we'll see. This super cute romper. This super cute romper. And again, it looks cute. It's hopefully it'll all look cuter on than on the hanger. This Aster dress, which is so cute. I love Aster, the label. This color's huge too for spring. And then here is this gorgeous thing. Oh my god, this is like the thing I'm most excited to try on. Like, what even is this? I guess it's a prom dress. I don't know. It's freaking beautiful. We'll see what happens. I just like look at the beauty detail on this. This is amazing. Over there. And then all of this is Zach stuff. But I might try these on just because if I can see if it's like super huge on me, then it'll be a good fit for him. Not super huge, but like if it's like a couple sizes too big. So let's get going. Okay, can we talk about this dress for a second? Because wow, it is so beautiful. What do I need a gown for? Who knows? It's just so beautiful. Look at the detail on here. This part's a little weird that the lining like comes up to here and then cuts off. But it's so pretty. I mean, I feel like I might just get it to do a shoot in because I'm ridiculous like that, but it is so pretty, and I just love like the tulle down here. It's just seriously such a work of art. I can't believe it's in here. Oh my god, so pretty. Cute actually. I was kind of surprised by the fit of it, but it's really cute. It's super comfortable. It has a button detail and super functioning buttons, so you can like open it for a little more cleavage or leave it all the way buttoned. It's really cute. I like the back. It's fitted. I love rompers in the summer just because it's like an easy throw on, and it gets so hot here. It's so miserable. So I love this little quick throw on outfit. Okay, so this is actually really cute. It's like a little big in the waist here, but it is pretty short. But I always wear bike shorts under my dresses, so if I do get this dress, I will definitely wear bike shorts underneath, and I think it would be super cute with like a t-shirt over it and then tie like a black and white. It would be really cute, so we'll see. Okay guys, I just left Goodwill. I got 2 men's blazers, a men's shirt, and 3 women's dresses, one of them being that gorgeous gown for $5.99. Ridiculous. And I rounded up because when you round up, you're donating back to Goodwill. So I always do that, so making my total $39 even, which is insane. And I have all of this stuff. So we will head home and go through it all. Fluffers are very excited. Okay, go slow. Hi. Come up here. Come on. No, you can wait. Well, it's really beautiful, so I'll leave the door open. Hi, guys. You want to see what Mommy got? You want to see what Mommy got? Okay, So I got this blazer for Zach, so we'll see how it fits. I didn't think you could return anything at Goodwill, but you can. You have 7 days to get store credit. So that's really cool. So yeah, what do you guys think? You smelling? They're my babies and I'm obsessed with them. Okay, like any dog mom. Okay, so that blazer, I got him this Nike golf polo. So he has beautiful blue eyes, so I think he'll really like this. It says Top Golf Crush, so I don't know if that was like a thing they did at Top Golf. Who knows? We'll see. He might not like it, but he loves Nike, and it has the Nike swoosh on the sleeve and the front. Beautiful color too, so it'll look great with his eyes. Guys, I got this dress. I mean, it was $5.99. How could I not get that dress? I did also get this blazer. It's Zara Man, and I think that it's going to be too small for Zach. But honestly, I got it anyway because I'll wear it as like an oversized blazer with like some skinny jeans or something like that. Super cute. And then obviously that dress, I don't even know. It's so big. I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I have like no more room in my closet, but it was $5.99. So I'm going to like, if anything, it's just like a piece of art. I did end up getting this super cute dress. I ended up taking my bra off with it, and it actually worked so much better, fit so much better, because it actually has like this like scrunched back, which keeps it really form-fitting, and like the lining is really soft. This is actually from Charlotte Russe, and I was like, oh, that's super interesting, because it's like a teen brand, and I don't have like a teen body. I'm like more curvy a little bit, but so I'm surprised that fit. But it was really cute, and again, it was a little on the shorter side, so wearing my bike shorts with that. And then yes, the gorgeous dress. I keep looking at it, and I'm so obsessed. One more thing, I ended up getting this romper too, which was so cute, and I know it'll be perfect for spring and summer here, because it just gets so hot and humid, and I hate it. I'm definitely more of like a fall winter girl, but I do love spring. It's just the summer here is like kind of brutal, but yeah, so this was super cute. Loved that. It's like a really cool material. It's like super soft actually. Oh yeah, and then I got Zach one more. I got in the pink coral golf polo. I just thought it was really nice. You can wear whatever color you want. So yeah, we'll see. I just thought it was a really nice shirt, and it had the little golf emblem thing right there. So yeah, that, and then dun 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 dun. Jaxie, you want to see mommy's dress? You want to see mommy's dress? He's like, what is it? Is it a treat for me? Okay, technical difficulty. I could not get it out of the bag, but oh my god, guys, it's so pretty. I love it so much. $5.99. Like, what? It's so beautiful, and it's like fits like a glove, so had to have that. Okay guys, this is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. Goodwill is super fun. You never know what you're going to find. There's some other like thrift stores in Charlotte that I want to check out at some point too, but I just wanted to start with my first thrift video at Goodwill, because I usually find some pretty good stuff, and I feel like I did. So we'll see what Zach thinks about his items, and I love mine, and I look forward to wearing them. So just a few pointers. Again, the main things is like wear comfy clothes, because you will get tired. Try stuff on, even though I thought that you couldn't return anything, but you can. So you have 7 days to get a store credit. So you can't get your money back, but still, if it doesn't work, you can just like get something else or save it for another time. And then also hand sanitizer. Oh my God. And then wash your clothes before you wear them after you buy them. So yeah, I got all of that stuff for $39. So I think it was a really good haul, and I'm excited to go again. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.